Hey friends, welcome. So I am going to make my favorite pasta sauce, and this is so easy. I have been so busy doing online clinicals and studying all day, and I'm starving. So we're gonna make some pasta sauce. And so I use this Borscht cheese. This one is the shallot and chive. You can use whichever one you want. Now, normally I would also have fresh basil from my plants, but I don't have any right now, which is weird. So, but just take this and open it, and I put it in the center of a bowl. And then my tomatoes are washed. I'm put them in, and then I have some garlic. So I'm gonna cut my garlic, just the tops off here. I just like to cook it in its packaging and then squeeze it, and then just squeeze it in when it's cooked. And then I am going to cover this with some olive oil. Put a lot on my garlic. And I'm going to put this in a 400 oven for about 20 minutes, 25, and then we'll be back. All right, and while that's cooking real quick, I'm gonna feed my sourdough starter. So listen, with this, I think I'm doing it right. I don't even know. It's bubbling. There's, watching so many different people, and I don't know, everybody's got so many different ways. But I've got my flour here. This is bread flour. And so now I'm at a place where it's getting half a cup of flour. And I feel like it's been a little wet. I'm just putting a little bit more. Half a cup of flour, and then half a cup of filtered room temperature water. I think pretty soon I'll start doing the half the recipe thing and taking some out. I think. I don't know. I'm winging it. I mean, but she's definitely bubbling up good, so. We'll see. All right. And I feel like that consistency is good. I just want to scrape down the sides. Hey, buddy. He thinks I have food. Oh, you wondering what it is? You wondering what it is? You wondering? You think I've got food I'm not sharing with you? Alright, so she is fed for the day. I have not named her yet. I haven't thought of a good name yet. And I keep her in my microwave because my house is kind of cold. So this was in for about 20 minutes. I hope my garlic is done enough. I hope so. And I mean, I like a lot of garlic. You don't have to use this much. Use whatever you want. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my potato masher and mash this super good. And I normally put a couple more tomatoes in it, but that's all I had, and it's fine. And I do have like the tube of paste if I don't have enough, you know, tomatoes and I want to use it. You don't have to, but I just wanted to show you. This is so easy and this is so good. I do wish I had, I usually can just pull some basil off my little plants, but I don't have any growing right now. The whole in school thing, you know. And I just add some cream. Some cheese. Probably a little bit more cream. And if you were trying to make this like a high protein, you could always do a cup of cottage cheese blended up into a cream. Now I'm going to put this back in the oven for just like 10 minutes, and that's it. This is so good. Now, I myself, like, I kind of like the little bit of chunkiness and like the skins of the tomatoes and stuff don't bother me. I mean, if it bothers you, just pull it out. But for me, it doesn't bother me. And this is so good. Sometimes I put meat in this, ground meat. Sometimes I put shrimp. But there you go. And it's super good. It's hot. Oh yeah, that's delicious.